Hi, boys and girls. Just wanted to review your word work words for this week before you start your activities. We are working on adding the suffix or ending ing to words. It's great to learn the rules of why and how we add suffixes to words so that when we're writing any word, we can usually apply that rule to spell words correctly. So, your words for this week are swimming, baking, napping, hiking, running, winning, stopping, living, taking, and driving. You'll notice that all of the words have ing on the end, but the root words that the words were before we added the suffix look different. So that's really important. We need to look at the root words before we can decide what the rules are for adding the ing. So we're just looking at two rules today. First, let's look at the word swim. In this little section in activity 1, I've asked you to type out your words and then type out the root word. So if I look at the word swimming, the root word was swim. You'll notice we had to add an extra M. So when I write my root word beside the word, it's just swim with only one M. Meanwhile, baking, it is bake. And we have an E. So the root word for bake and swim look different than they do in the words when we have the ing. So now we have to go, okay, let's look at all of the root words I have and see what rule could I apply for adding ing to words like swim and to words like bake. So type out the rest of your root words and words right here. So just look at your next one. Say the next word was taking, and then the root word is take. And you're just going to write your whole list right there. Once you have all those words written out, that's going to help you for your next section when you're sorting your words. When you're sorting your words, this column is going to be for words where they follow this rule. If a word like bake, I'm going to look at the last 3 letters in my root word, and it's A-K-E. If a word ends with a vowel like A, a consonant like K, and a silent E, then that's a consonant. Sorry, the B is the consonant. A sh. I'm sorry, I'm in the wrong one. Sorry about that. I had the wrong little title written right in there. So now this is what yours should look like. If you look up here, we have a vowel, a consonant, a vowel, as I mentioned. So down here it says vowel like A, consonant like K, and then that silent E. Well, if I have a root word that ends like that with a vowel, a consonant, and a silent E, then I'm going to drop the E and add ing. So look through your words at your root words, and any words that end with vowel, consonant, silent E, you're going to drop the E and add ing and add them to this column. Meanwhile, words that have the root word has a consonant, then a short vowel sound, and then a consonant, you have to double the consonant and add ing. So look up here at swim. We have consonant, the short vowel, and then a consonant M. So I'm going to double that M and add ing. So any words that follow that rule, you will put here. And in any of your writing, you will do the same. All right, on down we go. Question number 3, just take 5 of your words at least and write them in a sentence. Make sure you use proper capitals and punctuation at the end. Just write them under here. Next, you're going to go to this website. So you can click right on it, and it's going to take you to ABC. It's going to take you to ABC word searches, which looks like this. You're going to name your puzzle and hit the arrow. Then you're going to type in all your words, hit the arrow. You're going to choose to do your word search online, hit the arrow, and then you can complete the word search. When you're done, you can either send me a screenshot of the finished word search, or you can tell me your time. Say I finished and tell me how long it took you to do the word search. Last thing, you can choose 2 or 3 of these activities to practice your words. You might write your words with your feet, play hangman, create a paper and pencil online Wordle or an online Wordle at wordart.com, make a comic using some of your words, create a poster reminding of the rules for ing, like dropping the E and adding ing or doubling the consonant after a short vowel. So that's your work. Friday, I'm going to send out another message to ask your parents to do a little test with you, and I know you'll be ready to go. Take your time, do 1 activity or 2 activities a day, and practice your words. Let me know if you have any questions.